Hello, I'm Michelle. I'm the 360 gal, and this is a 360 travel channel. Unlike most channels, if you ever see someone walking and they're talking and they're standing out of frame like this, you're like, "What's going on? What's going on? I want to see." Well, you guys get to interact with the screen by touching your screen on your smartphone, moving your smartphone around, using your WSAD keys, and there's many other ways where you guys can interact with the screen. Most of my videos are 360, and if they are 360, they will have this icon up here on them, on the thumbnail, and if they're not 360, they'll have this icon up here on them, and that way you can tell if you're not particularly a fan of the 360, you can still come along. And if you guys like the 360 and you want to know whenever to have your headset on, you just go look at the thumbnails. So right now, or I say right now, it's noisy here for some reason, but behind me is my 1980 Chevy school bus. It is on its way out. I have been traveling in it for the last 3 years. I've enjoyed traveling in it. It has been quite an experience. However, I also have found that it doesn't quite match my travel style. It's actually designed better for more people than me, and it's designed for, well, going out and sitting for 2 weeks and moving around. Man, it's crazy. So I've decided to downsize to this. It's a 1999 E450 or 350, I don't know which. And I am going from a bus to a van just because I want to get farther into the boonies and kind of get into towns and see museums and many other things that I could do with the bus, but it made a challenge. So I want a little simpler of a life and a little bit easier to get around in cities. So sit back or sit up, however you want to enjoy and interact with the screen, and come along on the journey with me. So you all have a great day. Bye.